Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming you have admin rights and that you're on Windows 10 or 11. Once that's set, open Settings Personalization to quickly check Taskbar position and auto-hide. Next, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager. You need to know if Explorer EXE is running or frozen. If Explorer EXE is missing or not responding, you'll restart it in the next step. Make sure to save any open work first, because restarting Explorer closes File Explorer windows. Once Explorer EXE is ended, go to File Run New Task, type Explorer EXE and start it. This refreshes the shell and often returns the bar. Make sure to then right-click any blank taskbar area and open Taskbar settings. Set taskbar location on screen to bottom and turn off auto-hide so it stays visible. After it appears at the bottom, lock the taskbar to prevent accidental moves, and confirm multiple displays aren't forcing a different primary bar, because display order can change taskbar placement. Now finalize by verifying display settings. Go to Settings System Display and set the correct monitor as primary, because the taskbar can appear on the primary display. If problems persist, open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. This often fixes persistent shell issues. If nothing works, create a new user profile or use system, restore to revert to a time when the taskbar was correct. And if you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.